In this video, I'll show you how to backtest a strategy on Tradingview. Start by signing into your Tradingview account and open the chart you want to test. For this example, search for AAPL and open the Apple stock chart. Next, click Indicators at the top of the chart and search for a built-in strategy. For this example, search for Moving Average Cross and select the built-in strategy from the list. After that, the strategy will be applied to your chart automatically. At the bottom of the screen, click the Strategy Tester tab to view the backtesting results. Now review the performance metrics, including net profit, total closed trades, percent profitable, profit factor, and max drawdown to evaluate how the strategy performed over the selected time period. Next, if you'd like to customize the strategy, hover over the strategy name on the chart, click the settings icon, and change values such as the fast moving average length to 20 and the slow moving average length to 50. Click OK and watch the strategy tester update with the new results. Finally, change the chart's timeframe or date range to compare the strategy's performance under different market conditions and continue refining the settings until you're satisfied. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to backtest a strategy on Tradingview. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.